Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring a bedtime solution that's become a favorite for parents looking to soothe their little ones naturally. This is the best Zarbees Lavender Bedtime Spray alternative, the Oilogic Slumber and Sleep Bath Baby Essentials gift set. Whether you're building a peaceful nighttime routine or just searching for a gentle, effective way to help your baby wind down, this set promises to deliver comfort, calm, and consistency. Let's walk through what makes this product a must-have for new parents. The Oilogic Slumber and Sleep gift set comes with 4 thoughtfully formulated items: a 3-in-1 all-over wash, a calming cream, a linen mist, and a roll-on essential oil blend. Each one is designed to work harmoniously to create a calming environment that encourages your baby to relax and drift off into a restful sleep. The key here is the power of 100% pure essential oils, specifically lavender and chamomile. These are well known for their relaxing properties, and Oilogic blends them expertly with carrier oils like jojoba, grapeseed, and coconut oil to ensure safety for delicate infant skin. The result is a naturally soothing experience that's both effective and safe for babies as young as 3 months old. Now let's break down how to use the full system in 4 easy steps. Step 1 is bath time with the 3-in-1 all-over wash. It gently cleans your baby's skin and hair while releasing the relaxing aroma of lavender and chamomile into the steam, helping them begin to unwind. Step 2 is moisturizing with the calming cream. This isn't just for soft skin, it's also part of the bonding process, giving you a chance to massage your baby and help them relax physically and emotionally. Step 3 is where you set the stage for bedtime. The linen mist is meant to be sprayed on sheets, pajamas, blankets, even their favorite stuffed animal. It carries that same calming scent and transforms the sleep space into a serene sanctuary. And finally, step 4, the roll-on essential oil blend. Apply it to your baby's neck, chest, and the bottoms of their feet. It's perfectly diluted and gives that final, comforting touch to your nighttime ritual. But what sets this product apart is not just what it does, it's how it's made. Oilogic products are cruelty-free, vegan, and free of harmful additives like phthalate, parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. They're also made in the USA and recognized with awards like the Mom's Choice Award and the 2022 Baby Innovation Soap of the Year. Behind the brand are 2 moms who wanted better solutions for their own children, and their mission to deliver natural, effective care is clear in every part of this bundle. Whether you're a first-time parent or just looking for a more holistic sleep aid for your child, this kit is not only pediatrician tested but also loved by families for how well it works. If you're ready to take your bedtime routine to the next level, this set might just be the secret weapon you need. For more honest, in-depth product breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You've been watching Product Critique. See you next time.